Learn English with Miss Justin. Yay!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, welcome back with Miss Justin. Last meeting we have learned about greetings, apologizing, parting, and also thanking. And did you remember what are they and what are they used for? Did you remember? Hopefully you all remember ya. So you can use that for your daily activities. And now, today in this session, we're gonna move to the next materials. Can you guess what is it? Okay, it is about introducing yourself. Well, this one is used for ketika kita pertama kali bertemu dengan seseorang. Pastinya kita belum saling mengenalkan. Nah, kita menggunakan perkenalan terlebih dahulu. In English, there are so many phrases to introduce ourselves. What are they? Okay, the first one. Hello, my name is blah blah blah. You can mention your name. For example, hello, my name is Miss Justin. Like that. Or the second one, hi, I am Miss Justin, or just mention your name in the blah 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 or in the blank section. And the third one is, hello, Miss Justin, how about you or and you? Jadi langsung saja ya, bisa hello, langsung sebutkan nama kalian, itu bisa juga. And then the next, my full name is. Nah, kalau full name itu biasanya untuk menyebutkan nama lengkap, bukan nama panjang ya, not long name but full name. So you have to use full name when you introduce yourself in the at school or in the formal ways. So, for example, my full name is Justin Pramita Hapsari, like that. And the next, my nickname is Miss Justin. Ya, nickname means short name atau dalam bahasa Indonesia adalah nama panggilan. The next is how we introduce ourselves with let me introduce myself. I'm Miss Justin. Let me introduce myself yang artinya bolehkan saya berkenalan atau bolehkan saya berkenalan dengan kalian. Nama saya bla 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 gitu. Selanjutnya, I'd like to introduce myself. I am Miss Justin, like that. I apostrophe D means I would like. Aku akan memperkenalkan aku, namaku bla bla bla, seperti itu artinya. The next is, I just wanted to introduce myself. Aku hanya ingin memperkenalkan diriku. My name is Miss Justin. My name is Aldi. My name is Joanna, or etc. And then you can greet first with that one or with someone. Greet first, and then just introduce yourself. For example, good morning, or based on the time that you meet someone. Good morning. May I introduce myself? My name is blah blah blah. That's the formal way. if you are face to everyone or face to many people in front of you, so you have to introduce yourself with the formal way. And the last is how do you do? Ya, seperti yang Miss Justin katakan in the last meeting. Jadi kalau pertama kali bertemu dengan seseorang, kita bisa mengucapkan how do you do. Itu untuk pertama kali ekspresi atau ungkapan pertama kali ketika bertemu. Jadi menggunakan how do you do karena belum saling mengenal. Itu baru nanti akan menyebutkan namanya. And the next one is the responses. How we respond the introduction of someone. The first one, nice to meet you, I am. For example, nice to meet you, I am Aldi. Tadi Miss Justin bilang kan, let me introduce myself, my name is Miss Justin. And then the other person said, nice to meet you, I'm Aldi. Like that. The next is, very nice to meet you, I'm bla bla bla. Hampir sama ya. Pleased to meet you, I'm bla bla bla. Itu juga hampir sama artinya. Jadi seperti apa ya, memberikan ungkapan kayak kita senang gitu loh ketemu dengan orang itu, terus akhirnya berkenalan. Kemudian it's a pleasure to meet you, I'm bla bla bla. It's a pleasure artinya suatu kesenangan, suatu kebahagiaan untuk mengenalmu. Nah, aku bla bla bla, sebutkan saja nama kalian. The next is happy to meet you, my name is Miss Justin. That artinya hampir sama semua memang. Seperti karena pertama kali orang berkenalan itu pasti excited ya, pasti bahagia rasanya. The next is how do you do. Nah, kalau tadi orang mengatakan untuk pertama kalinya memakai how do you do, so we have to respond it with how do you do. Not without to ya. Just say how do you do, like that. And then just mention your name. Hi, how do you do, and then A said I'm Justin, and then B said I'm Aldi, for example, like that. Until now, is it difficult? No ya. Okay. The next one is phrases to introducing yourself again. This one is more detailed for introducing yourself. Seperti memberikan informasi lebih tentang diri kalian. Yang pertama tadi ada I am from Solo. How about you? Nah, itu menanyakan balik. Aku dari Solo. Bagaimana denganmu? I'm from Wonogiri. Where are you from? Aku dari Wonogiri. Kalau kamu dari mana? Nanyakan. I come from Jepara. Where do you come from? Nah, aku datang dari Jepara. Kalau kamu datang dari mana? And then you can mention where do you live? Like I live in Karanganyar. Where do you live? Jadi ketika orang berkenalan itu adalah menyebutkan informasi dari dirinya sendiri, kemudian dia menanyakan balik untuk mendapatkan informasi lagi dari orang yang baru diajak perkenalan tersebut. Untuk mendapatkan informasi, namanya juga berkenalan ya. Seperti I live in Karanganyar, where do you live? Nah, jadi menanyakan balik. Aku tinggal di Karanganyar. Di mana kamu tinggal? The next is I live in Boyolali. How about you? Jadi untuk menanyakan balik itu bisa pakai and you, how about you, atau menanyakan dengan WH question like where do you live, where do you come from, where menggunakan where atau how. And then I live in Al-Abidin boarding. And you, nah ini lebih ke informalnya ya, karena sesama teman mungkin sama-sama anak SMP tapi beda SMP mungkin, beda sekolah. Nah yang satu tinggal di I live in Al-Abidin boarding atau di asrama Al-Abidin. And you, kalau kamu di mana? Misalnya seperti itu. And then, nah ini kalau menyebutkan alamat lengkap kamu lebih spesifik, alamatnya lebih spesifik. Jadi nggak hanya nama kota. Kalau tadi kan I'm from Solo atau I'm from Wonogiri, I live in Karanganyar. In Karanganyar karena Karanganyar adalah nama kota atau kabupaten, jadi kita menggunakan langsung in, preposition in. Nah, now it is more detailed, so we use at, preposition at. I live at Mango Street number 10, Banjarsari, Surakarta. That's what is it? More specific, right? Kalau alamat itu lebih spesifik, ada nama jalan, there are the street name or the number of the house, and then the sub-district atau kecamatan, kemudian nama kabupaten, the regency, the regency, itu kita lebih memakai preposition at. Jadi jangan salah ya, kalau hanya only in the city, the name of the city or the regency, we use preposition in. But if we want to say more specific address, we use preposition at. And then the next, I study in Al-Abidin Islamic Junior High School. That I study in that. Aku belajar di, atau bisa berarti aku bersekolah di Al-Abidin Junior High School. The next, I'm in the 7th grade of Junior High School. Nah, ini untuk menunjukkan atau memberikan informasi kamu itu kelas berapa sih. I'm in the 7th grade of Junior High School, or 8th grade, 9th grade, like that. And the last is like use I'm the student of ABBS Senior High School. Do you know what ABBS is? The abbreviation of ABBS. ABBS is Al-Abidin Bilingual Boarding School. That's for the senior high school one. Jadi kalau kamu ingin menunjukkan, oh aku itu murid sekolah ini loh. Nah, you can use I'm the student of, just mention the name of your school. Okay, until now, any difficulties? No ya? Okay, let's move. The next is introducing other. Introducing other. Nah, biasanya kalau berkenalan itu kalau kita tidak sendiri atau orang yang berkenalan dengan kita itu tidak sendiri tapi ingin saling memperkenalkan orang yang diajaknya atau temannya atau sister, brother, or family, the other family. Nah, bagaimana sih cara menggunakannya atau cara memperkenalkan, how we introduce our family or our friends or our college to our friends. Jadi memperkenalkan mereka ke orang yang baru berkenalan dengan kita. For example, the first one, I'd like to introduce you to my sister. She is. I'd like to introduce you to my sister. Aku ingin memperkenalkanmu dengan saudara perempuanku, mungkin kakaknya atau adiknya. She is, atau bisa diganti dengan brother. So he is, ya adalah siapa? Just mention the name. For example, I'd like to introduce you to my sister. She is Clara. Maybe the name is Clara. The next is, I'd like you to meet my brother, or I'd like you to meet my friend. I'd like you to meet my college. He or she is, and then just fill the blank or the blah 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 with the name of your friends or your brother or your college. And then there is someone I'd like you to meet. Ada seseorang yang aku ingin kamu bertemu. Nah, this is my father. Ini ayahku. He is, just mention the name. And then what is it? Langsung aja to the point like this is my friend, Aldi, for example. Ini temanku Aldi. Or jika kalian sepantaran or dari SD-nya pernah satu sekolah, terus atau di kursus pernah satu kursus. Nah, kalian bisa, have you met Filza? Filza is the name of the person ya. Have you met Filza? Apakah kamu pernah bertemu dengan Filza? Nah, mungkin kamu merasa kayaknya temanku ini kayaknya dia udah pernah ketemu deh sama temanku ini. Nah, untuk memastikan, to make sure your friend is ever met your friend, the other friend, so you can use this expression. Have you met Filza? Pernahkah kamu bertemu dengan Filza? The next is Filza. Filza, if there is Hasna and Filza and you. So, Filza, this is Hana. And Filza, this is Hasna. Hasna, this is Filza. Just like that. And then they shake hand together, shake hand each other. But now in pandemic, we can't do that thing, okay? And then, may I introduce blah 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 to you? That's the formal way. Maybe we met president, and then we want to introduce our parents or our family to our president. May I introduce my mother to you, Mr. President? Like that. And then the next, Filza, please meet Hasna. The person that you want to introduce, introduce to your friend. There is the person. Filza, please meet Hasna. Or Hasna, please meet Filza. Like that. Hampir sama dengan yang sebelumnya tadi ya. Okay, the next is how we respond it. How we respond when someone introduce their friend or their family or their college to us. The first one, nice to meet you, I'm blah blah blah. Langsung sebutkan aja namanya, just mention your name. And then, very nice to meet you, I'm blah blah blah. This is almost the same with how we respond each other when we introduce ourselves. Pleased to meet you, it's a pleasure to meet you, I'm happy to meet you, my name is. Ya, kalau berkenalan kan pasti excited ya, pasti senang ya. Jadi kita menggunakan kata-kata ya, very nice, pleased, it's pleasure, happy, like that. And then ya, karena tadi baru dikenalin ya sama sister atau brother atau family-nya teman kita atau temannya teman kita. Nah, karena belum saling bertemu, jadi kita bisa menggunakan how do you do. So they will or he or she will replace it with how do you do. And then, oh hello, I've heard so much about you. Misal your classmate in 7th grade of junior high school wants to introduce you with her or your friend's best friend. Jadi pengen memperkenalkan sahabat mungkin waktu SD, karena sekarang tidak satu sekolah mungkin. Nah, sudah banyak cerita nih sama kamu, jadi pengen memperkenalkan, akhirnya ada waktu untuk bertemu. Bagaimana? Karena kamu sudah sering diceritain, temanmu sudah pernah cerita tentang orang itu, nah ketika bertemu kamu bisa mengungkapkan dengan ini. Hello, I've heard so much about you. Oh, halo, aku udah pernah mendengar banyak tentang kamu. Tuh. Atau bisa juga dengan Citra has told me a lot about you. Citra, mungkin namanya teman kamu itu adalah Citra. Citra has told me a lot about you. Citra itu udah cerita banyak tentang kamu ke aku gitu. Jadi udah banyak mendengar tapi belum pernah ketemu, tapi akhirnya ketemu, akhirnya dikenalin seperti itu. Sampai di sini, have you understood the material? That's easy, right? How we introduce ourselves to others and how we introduce others to our friends, to our family, to our college, or etc. Okay, now it's about the example of the dialogue. This one. Hello, good morning. I'm Aldi. What's your name? And then, good morning, Aldi. I'm Nico. The next, where are you from, Nico? I'm from Klaten. And you? I'm from Solo. Where do you live, Nico? I live in Al Abidin boarding. How about you, Aldi? I live in Lawean, Solo. Oh well, I'd like you to meet my brother, Iqbal. Yeah, that's Iqbal. So cute, right? Hi. So Iqbal said hi like that. And then Iqbal also said, hi bro Aldi, I'm Iqbal. Nice to meet you. Hi Iqbal, I'm Aldi. Aldi, yeah, maybe that's almost the end of the conversation. So Nico said to Aldi, maybe we could get together sometime. Glad to meet you, Iqbal and Nico. Alright, goodbye, Nico and Iqbal. Goodbye, Aldi. Yeah, that's the parting, right? Ucapan perpisahan. So now it's time to you all to do the exercise. Just read this or pause this and write on your note. Now make your own dialogue consists of greetings, apologizing, parting, thanking, introducing yourself, and other. Write it on your notebook. So write it on your notebook, capture it atau di foto, and upload your work in the link https://bit.ly/introduction-dialogue70cp-ict. And kalian buatlah dialog yang ada greeting, apologizing, parting, thanking, dan introducing yourself and other, and then you capture it di foto. Kalau bisa 1 halaman aja ya, biar bisa 1 halaman. Nah, di buku kalian, kemudian buka link Google Form-nya, kemudian kalian upload pekerjaan kalian itu not late or not more than midnight, oke? Nggak boleh lebih dari jam 12 malam nanti. Oke, paling lambat on Thursday 23rd. What day is it? I don't know. Okay, Thursday or at tonight. The late is tonight. Okay. Now, as usual, Miss Justine has a quote. The quote is, "The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet." Do you know it? That's from Aristotle. Jadi akar dari sebuah pendidikan itu memang pahit, tapi buahnya itu manis. Jadi kalian itu tetap semangat untuk belajar, keep going to study, to learn everything that you want. Pahitnya memang sekarang, but you will achieve your goal someday in the future. Jadi akan manis nanti hasilnya. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next session. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye. Okay, I think enough for this session. See you on the next meeting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.